Hey, what's up? Y'all know who it is, Clever Motors. I'm over here doing my 2003 CRV, the brake pads. It's like 7:08 in the morning. I'm tired as hell. But I tell you one thing, I keep hearing these things screech, and it's not even that the padding is bad, it's just the damn material coming from these brake pads. So I decided to change these issues. So that's what we're gonna do now. How'd you guys sleep? I ate Taco Bell last night, so I didn't sleep the greatest. Felt like I had heartburn all night. Let's press this piston in. Put this brake pad on and get to it. Booyah. Boo, like a shine, like a shine, like a shine.